We are on exercise 1.3, and in this question, till question number third, we have done it yesterday only. We are on question number 4, and which is telling us that you have to show some examples, and you have to just say by using example only how minus 1 into 5 से लेकर minus 5 से लेकर के we have to reach till minus 1 into minus 1 is equals to 1. So what we'll do, we have to just show this by using examples only. So we will bring, what we'll do, you are knowing if you talk about minus 1 से minus 1 तक हमको पहुंचना है. So how will you reach? 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0, and then minus 1. ठीक है? So right from 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0, then minus 1. And you are proving it for multiplied by minus 1. So just take it minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, and minus 1. ठीक है? 1 by 1 till all. Now let us multiply this and just check it what the result comes. You are knowing it's minus 5, and you are knowing when we multiply minus 1 with any number, or you can call it any integer, either it is positive or it is negative, it will just change the sign of that previous number which was given to us. So if it was plus 4, it will give you minus 4. If it was 3, it will give you minus 3. If it was 2, it will give you minus 2. If it was 1, it will give you minus 1. And if it is 0, it will give you only 0. And last one, minus 2, it will be giving you plus 1. These are the various examples which we have done it right now. I hope this solution is understood by you all. It is telling the temperature of a room is 40 degrees Celsius. Okay? Now every hour, the temperature is moving it down. नीचे गिर रहा है temperature 5 degrees Celsius से. ठीक है? Now after 10 hours, you have to tell the temperature. Now this question can be done it directly also, but I am not telling you to do it directly. We are doing it one by one steps. ठीक है? Now सबसे पहले I am giving you one example. Suppose the temperature was 40 degrees Celsius in the beginning only. After 1 hour, the temperature goes down. So it was at minus 40, no Kashish, or 40. Okay. So the temperature was only 40 and now it is moving down. So beta 40 से जब 5 गिरा या कम हुआ तो 40 minus 5 कितना हो गया? In after 1 hour कितना हो गया? Tell me please. If it was 40 degrees Celsius, first hour में it was 40 degrees Celsius, and now it is lowered down by 5. So now how much it is? It is 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, it is 35 degrees Celsius. Now this is first hour. Now tell me second hour. Like this way only. Tell me second hour, how much it will be, beta? What? The temperature goes down one by one in each and every hour, 5 degrees less. It means she started by 40, then 35, then 30, then 25, then 20, then 15, then 10, then 5, then you are now in 8th hour, it is 0. Okay, now 9th hour. Tell me at 9th hour, very good. It will be again minus 5. That is 0 minus 5. Which will give you minus 5 only. Now tell me, in the last hour only, that is 10th hour, how much it will be in 10th hour? Minus 10 degrees Celsius. Everyone is correct. It will be minus 10 degrees Celsius. Now let me tell you one more process of doing this. You are knowing we can do it. It was a repeated addition which you were doing. But you are knowing repeated addition can be done it in the form of multiplication also. How can we do that? You are knowing earlier the temperature was 40 degrees Celsius. Okay? Earlier the temperature was 40 degrees Celsius. Now the question is telling the temperature is moving down. Moving down का मतलब होता है बेटा माइनस में जाना. टेम्परेचर बढ़ने का मतलब होता है प्लस में जाना. मूविंग डाउन का मतलब होता है टेम्परेचर का बिलो होना, मतलब नेगेटिव में जाना. Now it is telling after 10 hours. Now you are knowing in 1 hour temperature goes down by minus 5. and you are talking about 10 hour. तो 10 hour में कितना हो जाएगा? 10 into -5, which will give you -50. Okay, which will give you -50 degrees Celsius temperature. And you are knowing earlier it was 40, moving down -50, sorry. So the temperature will be right now at 10 degrees Celsius after 10 hours. This will be the answer, which we have done it by another process also.
Ma'am, we just write in our
Yes, beta. Yes, beta. Every question in copy. Yes, beta. Every question will be done in copy only. Yes. If you see this question, beta, you must be remembering. If you remember last year, I taught you this type of question when I was teaching integer chapter. I gave you this kind of question. Okay. So let us revise that question how we did it last year. If you remember, the question is telling that you had 10 questions given in total. Okay. And out of 10 questions, if you will do correct question, you will get 5 marks for each correct. If you will do wrong question, you will be having -2 for every wrong answer. And you will get it 0 if you will not attempt that question only. So if you will see the condition of Mohan, it is given that Mohan has done 4 correct and 6 wrong. So let us calculate one by one. Now you are knowing 4 correct का मतलब कितना हुआ बेटा? 4 multiply by 5. Why 5? Because for each correct you get it 5. So इसको मिलना चाहिए था 20 number मोहन को, लेकिन मोहन has done 6 wrong also, and 1 wrong gives -2. 1 wrong gives -2, and here Mohan has done 6 wrong. So 6 wrong matlab 6 into -2, that will give you -12. Okay. So now you can see that Mohan के पास था 20, 12 number उसके कट गए wrong के कारण. So now in total it will be 20 minus 12, which will give us 8. Like total marks which Mohan will get, it will be 8 marks. Okay, 20 plus -12. It will give you 8 marks. Please tell me, do you have any question in it? Do you have any query, or should I move forward, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us move for the next question. Reshma. Now Reshma has done 5 correct. So 5 into 4, 5 into 5 again, because 5 correct and 5 for each. So it will be giving you 25 marks. So 25 marks Reshma should get, but Reshma has done 5 wrong also. And you are knowing for each wrong you have -2. If you have -2 for 1 wrong, so you will get it -2, and here it is telling 5 wrong, so it will give you -10. Now Reshma would have got 25 marks, but she has done wrong. Due to that, she has lost 10 marks. So now she has got only 15 marks. This is for Reshma now. Now last girl was Hina, and if you will see Hina, she has done 2 correct. So if she has done 2 correct, so 2 multiplied by 5, which will give her 10 marks. And now you can see she has done it 5 wrong. So if she has done 5 wrong, so it will be 5 into -2. It means she has got -10 for wrong answer. So now if you will see, she has got 10 marks, and due to wrong, she has lost 10 marks. So out of 10 marks, she lost only whole. So now she has got 10 minus 10, which will give her 0. It means Hina को मिले हैं 0 number.
Of white cement sold, white cement sold, and a loss of ₹5 per bag of grey cement sold.
Loss, profit per bag.
Question number A says the company sells 3,000 bags of white cement and 5,000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss?
White cement bags are 3,000 and
And gray cement bags are 5,000.
I want.
gray. And it is telling that once you please tell me one thing while reading question. Profit is coming through white cement bag, है ना? And gray cement के
ma'am.
through it is being lost. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Thank you, beta. This is question number 8, no? Chalo. Okay, so beta, this question, if you will see, we will take it in another way. Okay, you are knowing, as we have already discussed when I was teaching this chapter to you, that when you talk about, there are some words which we use it often, which denotes us positive and negative due to their word, due to their meaning only. For example, when you have profit, it means you will get some money extra. But when you talk about loss, you are losing money of yourself only, like you are losing your own money. So in that case, positive denotes for plus sign and losing means loss denotes for negative sign. Okay. Now the question is telling that the factory which is there, it like produces two kind of cement bags, gray and white. Now जब white bag को sell किया जाता है तो 8 rupees profit होता है per bag से, ठीक है? और सोल्ड कितने किए गए हैं बेटा? 3,000. तो टोटल प्रॉफिट बाय white cement bag, white cement bags. Now you are knowing, you will get it. Per bag it is 8. Total bags are 3,000. So it will give you 24,000 rupees profit. That is why I am putting it here plus sign. Plus sign means I will put or I will not put, it means it is fine, because here it was profit. So plus 8 was there. Okay. Now the company has also done sold some gray bags also. So यहाँ पर आएगा total loss. Why loss, beta? Because when the company is selling gray bags, then it is getting loss, rupees -5 each. ठीक है? तो कंपनी को एक बैग सेल करने पर मिलता है, लॉस होता है 5 रुपीज का, और यहाँ सोल्ड कितने किए गए बेटा? टोटल 5,000 बैग्स. तो यहाँ पर आएगा टोटल लॉस बाय ग्रे bags of cement, है ना? I'm not writing completely. You can also write it down. I'm not writing it completely. Now this will be -5 because one bag का -5 हो गया, and total bags were sold, that was 5,000. So that is 5,000 now. Now here you will get it -5 we will multiply. It will give it to you -25,000. ठीक है? Now you can see प्रॉफिट मिल रहा था 24,000, लेकिन लॉस कितना हो रहा है? 25,000. मतलब कंपनी को 1,000 रुपए का लॉस चल रहा है. भले ही उसको प्रॉफिट भी हो रहा है, लेकिन तब भी स्टिल कंपनी जो है वो लॉस में है. कितने रुपए के लॉस में है? कैन यू टेल मी हाउ मच इट इज? 1,000 rupees.
Ma'am, you did one mistake there.
Where?
Ma'am, that loss, it is written of only 5.
हाँ ना बेटा, so loss was only written 5 ना, but loss means negative, no? Loss means that you are they are losing the money. It was written 5 only, but I have put the sign negative. Okay. Because the company is losing money, no? Due to selling of gray bags, company is losing money. So that is why I have represented here minus sign. And then it will give you loss of rupees 1,000. मतलब कंपनी को जो है 1,000 rupees का लॉस चल रहा है. Now please read the question number B of it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, B says, what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? if the number of gray bags sold is 6,400 bags.
एक minute. How many 6,400 bags were sold of which color?
Gray bags.
Gray bags. Number of gray bags sold. Okay, thank you. Yes, the question is telling that number of gray bags sold, that was 6,400, ठीक है? And एक bag, one bag जब सेल किया जाता है तो लॉस होता है -5 का, ठीक है? -5 रुपीज का लॉस होता है बेटा, ठीक है? So it means it is talking about 6,400 bags. So when you talk about 6,400 bags, it will give you 6,400 multiplied by -5, which will give you -32,000 rupees. It means -32,000 rupees का लॉस हो रहा है. एक मिनट, सॉरी, इस तरफ करना पड़ेगा. Yes. So it will be -32,000 rupees का लॉस यहाँ पर चल रहा है, ठीक है? -32,000 rupees का लॉस चल रहा है. Now the question is telling, ऐसे कितने बैग सोल्ड कर दिए जाएं व्हाइट सीमेंट के कि ना कंपनी को प्रॉफिट हो और ना ही कंपनी को लॉस हो, ठीक है? सो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू नीड नाउ प्रॉफिट. आपको कितना प्रॉफिट चाहिए? अगर 32,000 का ही प्रॉफिट अगर हो जाए कंपनी को तो ना प्रॉफिट होगा और ना लॉस होगा, ठीक है? बिकॉज न्यूट्रल क्या है? न्यूट्रल क्या होता है इंटीजर में? न्यूट्रल इंटीजर इज ओनली 0, और अगर 0 आंसर आ जाता है दैट मीन्स ना प्रॉफिट और ना ही लॉस, ठीक है? ना घाटा और ना ही प्रॉफिट, ठीक है? सो इन दैट केस यू नीड 32,000 रुपीज का प्रॉफिट. इफ कंपनी will get 32,000 rupees profit, then in that case no profit no loss condition will come. ठीक मिलेगा कहां से बेटा? जब कितने बैग्स सेल किए जाएंगे, यू विल जस्ट नीड टू डिवाइड इट बाय 8. So here it will be 32,000 divided by 8, which will give you here 4,000 bags. So here it will be number of white cement bags. Finished. This question is done now.